Hey, so it's the summertime, right? And our kids are going to spend the night with grandma, with grandpa, with their aunts, uncles, cousins, friends, and they're all the time needing a bag to be packed for them with their clothes, their shoes, their toiletries, all of the things, right? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. And this could be even a solution for you, but more for your children. I love the All Packed Mini Duffle. This is a great size for the kids, and it really does hold a lot more than you think it will. Okay, so this is the All Packed Mini Duffle. This is in that 𝗙𝗓𝐿𝐻 print. Kind of wish mine was personalized. In this print, if you wanted to personalize, I would personalize with the lilac, with the butter, or even an orange color. There's so many pretty colors in here. So this is one side. Here is the other. And then you do have little D-rings right here because this does come with a long crossbody strap, shoulder strap on the inside. It comes in one of the little mesh pockets there. I just don't have it attached right now because I think like these straps are long enough for me. They're long enough for my kids. This is also a great gym bag if you're needing a bag for for a change of clothes, a pair of shoes. This is a great, and even for kids, a soccer ball can fit in here, a softball helmet. So this might be an option for sports as well. So this does have a zipper closure here on the top. And then on the inside, I do have it packed with a few things. So I'll pull out what I have here. So this is the modern toiletry bag. This is in that 𝗙𝗓𝐿𝐻 print as well. So this does have a little handle here. You can see that I just kind of had it laying flat in the bag. Now in this front little zipper right here, I have my daughter's, I have her toothbrush and toothpaste in there. And then you do have a tall zipper pouch right here. So unzip that. And then in here I have her hairbrush, and then I also have a thermometer in here because I don't send my kids anywhere without thermometer and Advil, because if you send them away, they are for sure going to have a fever, and then the person that's taking care of them has nothing. So always send all that stuff. Okay, and then the back side, actually this is kind of flaps open, so I have it packed full, so I'm gonna kind of open it up very, very carefully here. And then so you can see this folds open. And then on this side, you do have a little zipper. You have a zipper so you can store things here. Over here, I just have some of her little knick-knack items here. And then this has that clear PVC lining. So if you're putting like shampoos, I would put like shampoos and things like this on this side. So if anything's spilled, you can just wipe it right out. But you can see that I have all of her little toiletries in there, and we will zip that back up. Okay, and then also in here, I have one of our small packing cubes. I love the packing cubes. Like, we went to Yellowstone this summer and I packed my entire suitcase and my daughter's with the packing cubes. Well, I mean, we were in a different hotel every night. And so the packing cubes, oh my gosh, the best thing ever. But I have the small packing cube for her, and this does the small packing cube, or we have packing cubes in this 𝗙𝗓𝐿𝐻 print, so you can have a matching set. I just don't have one in that print, but you can personalize. You don't even have to personalize, but if you wanted to personalize, you can put anything on here. I just had undergarments, so I had her little undergarments in here, and then in here, I think I had 10 outfits. So I've got all these outfits of hers. More on this side, more outfits here. I think there was like 10 or 12 outfits. So very, very roomy in here. And then also on this side, you have mesh pockets there. So I have her pair of flip-flops in the mesh pockets on one side there. So this is very, very roomy. I have all of her shoes, her clothes in here. I have her undergarments and all of her, necessities. And of course, she wouldn't be taking 12 outfits with her for overnight, but just wanted to show you that it can hold a lot. Now, if you are shopping as a bundle, right, we have our amazing customer special. So spend $50, get a 50% off item. So I love pairing products together to show you that this can be a great solution set for you. So if you grab the modern toiletry bag, okay, the modern toiletry bag and the small packing cube, then that qualifies you to get a half price item. So let's make the higher priced item, your duffel, your half price item. So love this set for kids, for adults, I mean, for a one night, couple of nights stay, that's all you need, especially in the summertime when you're not carrying boots and tennis shoes and all of those things. So I hope that you love this set. I think it's really great, and I think that it's really great for everyone. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. And also, if you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I want to be your girl. So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook. You can click to join, answer the 2 questions. I'll send you back a private message. So make sure that you check that message request folder. Sometimes it'll go to your spam folder. And then hopefully when you reply back to me, hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group on Facebook. If you're interested in the business side of 31, if I've planted a little seed and you're interested in joining, I'd love to chat with you and just answer any questions that you have about the business opportunity with 31. Also, if you just like to host, I can create a shopping link for you, and you can share that shopping link with your friends and your family. They shop and you earn rewards. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope that y'all have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.